everyone, today I'm making Vietnamese Sizzling crepes. What is the difference? The Vietnamese crepes we are using rice flour and we want it very crispy. Invite you to the kitchen with me. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. Thank you. So the recipe is on the screen. If you not get fast enough, stop the machine for noting it down. The key to make it crispy is using salted water. I have 300 grams of rice flour. You can use any rice flour, but the better is a rice starch. To that I add 100 gram cornstarch. And I don't use any salt or fish sauce in the recipe. I want it very plain so that later when I dip into the fish sauce dips, it's totally flavorful. I use 400 grams of plain water on top of 300 grams of salted water, 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of cream. Normally in the Mekong Delta, we use coconut milk for the recipe, but to make it healthier and for someone doesn't want to eat coconut milk, so this one very basic, simple but still very flavorful recipe. You notice that I beat the eggs a little bit before I add to the flour. That way easy for them to incorporate. So everything in right now. The salted water, the cream, the water, and you mix it well. The salted water is the gas. The water has gas that make the butter crispy. If you don't want to use this kind of water, you can use beer. Now I add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. The turmeric powder will make it yellowish, and more than that, the turmeric has very good quality, even medicinal quality, good for our body. I added chopped green onion, just 3-4 stalks are enough, and some ground black pepper, that's it. Now for the stuffing inside, I have 1 onion and half of jicama. I peeled and slice and cut each mastic For the mung beans, I soak 4 hours and I cook it. And I have shrimp to go with. Normally we use shrimp and pork slices. Now I show you how to make your pan non-stick. You put the pan on high and you add the batter. This first one won't come out perfect. It will stick to the pan and broken, but you don't worry about that. Just discard the first one. And that's it. Remove everything and the pan will be non-stick. Now when you make the second one like I do now, the crepes will come out very easily.
Come here.
I'm fine.
It's just like magic.
So 1 cup is enough.
The reason that I don't use non-stick pan because when you make crepes using non-stick pan, it doesn't crisp
This one's much brighter than the
the
previous
way we
one.
wanted it. So after the batter is swirled around to fill the surface,
Done.
I add mung bean, jicama, onion, and shrimp. You can see the edge pull away and it don't stick to the pan at all. That means you already done the non-stick correct. You can see that I can swirl around my crepes, and you can change the position to make your crepe extreme crispy before you remove. When you done right, you can leave it just like that and the crepe don't break. Voila! I invite you to have a taste test with me. We eat with all the vegetables that you can find. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.